Hello, I'm Edros M. Gutierrez. It's great pleasure for me to be here in front of you. I took up computer engineering from the prestigious institution of Bulacan State University, where I have completed my college degree. On my 5 years of education, I have learned how to use different computer languages, such as C, C++, JavaNet, JavaScript, and JDK, and different databases, such as MySQL, Oracle Access, and DB2. I have some knowledge in networking protocols and device programming. As I go along with my life, I found working in the computer as my passion, and I want to continue my professional growth in this company. I know it will be a great challenge for me, and I believe those challenges will increase my experiences and expertise to develop complex projects with efficiency and quality. Besides, I know that I can acquire more knowledge through interacting with my colleagues. I assure you that I will be an asset in your company, for I will give my best in fulfilling my duties. I have excellent technical skills and communication skills to present points precisely and clearly, good problem-solving ability, and analytic skills to solve problems efficiently. I am good team lead player and have excellent interaction skills to coordinate and work within a team. I have expertise in working with various operating systems and could deliver output in less time without losing efficiency. And I feel like I'm not performing well at my job. I am willing to learn about it. Even in an extended time, and even without your supervision, I have a good relationship with my colleagues in my previous company. Indeed, I promise you to build a better connection with your employers. By the way, I have already worked as a senior software engineer of Pacific Land Incorporation. I was responsible there for system designing, code review. Aside from this, I took the task of writing complex programs or modules. In this context, I have written many utility programs. I also became a system engineer of ABC Incorporation, wherein I work in system programming using C and C++ programming languages. I had sound knowledge in networking protocols and device programming. The organization that were on this line, I used my excellent analyzing ability for the analyzing existing business requirements and proposing new solutions for the problem. I have so much more to tell you about. The time is limited. I will just prove you a lot more as I work here if you'll allow me. I am glad that you lend me your ears in this interview. Thank you.